Okay, so this is the Syma S33 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. This is fresh out of the box, first flight. Batteries haven't even been charged, probably not supposed to do that, but seems to be doing well. Very impressed already, similar to the S107s in a very distant way, but hover seems to be good. Won't take off as well yet, but I'm sure that's just because of the batteries. Wait for me to charge them up and then we'll see what it does. We're inside my garage here. There's obviously no wind. Pretty amazed so far. Pretty good package. Controller seems to be pretty good. The left and right direction seems to be pretty good. The one thing I am noticing already is that the hover almost kind of kicks out a little bit when it makes a turn, but I understand that's probably because of the compensation for one rotor to either speed up or slow down. I'll fly a little bit more here just in a second. I just want to, that's stupid, see some things. Pretty impressed though.